Welcome to Session 30 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study exponential functions. The focus is to write and analyze exponential functions using initial value, base, and repeated percent change. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Identify initial value and base. 2. Convert percent growth into a growth factor. 3. Convert percent decay into a decay factor. Exponential functions model repeated multiplication. The base is not the amount gained or lost, it is the factor that remains after each step. A basic model has the form f of x equals a times b to the x, where a is the initial value and b is the growth or decay factor. A quantity starts at 500 and grows by 8% each year. The growth factor is 1 plus 0.08, which is 1.08. So the model is a of t equals 500 times 1.08 raised to the t. After 6 years, a of 6 is about 793.44. For 12% decay, the factor is 1 minus 0.12, or 0.88. It is not 0.12. If a value begins at 2400 and decreases by 12% per month, the model is v of t equals 2400 times 0.88 raised to the t. Your turn. A 5% increase corresponds to what growth factor? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Exponential functions model repeated multiplication. The initial value is the coefficient a. Growth uses a factor greater than 1. Decay uses a factor between 0 and 1. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is. Then read more in the explanation below the video and visit www.bridgetoexam.com for more learning support.